Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about whether CommBank has student banking services. Yes, CommBank, or the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, offers banking services tailored to students, including both domestic and international students. They don't have a specific student account product, but they offer features and waivers on their standard accounts that cater to students' needs. Key features for students. CommBank's main offering is the Everyday Account Smart Access, which comes with a $0 monthly account fee if you're under 30. This is a significant benefit for students who are often on a tight budget. They also provide a debit MasterCard linked to the account, which can be used for online and in-store purchases, and can be added to mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay for contactless payments. Tools and benefits. CommBank's banking app provides several tools to help students manage their money. These include Spend Tracker. This tool automatically categorizes your transactions so you can see where your money is going, whether it's on food, transport, or entertainment. Goal Tracker. You can set savings goals within the app and track your progress toward them, which can be a great motivator for saving up for a trip or a big purchase. CommBank Yellow Cashback Offers. By activating these offers in the app, you can get cashback from popular brands like JB Hi-Fi and Kohl's when you shop with your CommBank card. For international students. CommBank also makes it easy for international students to get set up. You can open an everyday account online up to 14 days before you arrive in Australia. Once you've arrived, you just need to visit a branch with your passport and proof of enrollment to activate your account. This allows you to have a bank account ready to go as soon as you land. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.